Want to make money online with AI? In this video, I'll show you the best websites where you cancel AI-powered products and start generating income today. First up is Etsy. Etsy is perfect for selling AI-generated art, printables, and digital designs. Many creators are already making thousands every month with AI-made products. Next, we have Gumroad. If you've built an AI-powered template or tool, Gumroad makes it easy to sell and get paid instantly. It's user-friendly and efficient. Now let's talk about Fiverr. From AI-generated portraits to AI copywriting, Fiverr is the place to sell your skills using AI. You can offer services that provide fast, affordable solutions for clients. Looking to create merchandise? Redbubble is your answer. Turn your AI artwork into t-shirts, stickers, and phone cases. Redbubble handles production and shipping. You just upload your designs. Creative Fabrica is another great marketplace. Here, you can sell AI-generated fonts, graphics, and design elements to creators worldwide, expanding your audience significantly. Amazon KDP is perfect for authors. Use AI to create and publish ebooks or low-content books like journals. With Amazon's reach, you can sell your creations globally. Finally, consider your own website with Shopify. Want full control? Launch your own AI-powered product store with Shopify. It's perfect for building and scaling a real online business. And there you have it. 7 amazing websites to sell your AI-powered products and start earning online. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI money-making tips.